Hi, this is David with Emini tradingstrategies.com. We're doing some live trading here on the S&P 500 E-minis. We're looking to take a short normal system entry here, waiting for it to signal. We are not coming out of no NSE zone, but it's still a valid NSE, so if we get the signal, we're going to take it. Try to grab 4 or 5 ticks. Try to catch a nice one and done day. Here we go, let's jump in. Okay, we're filled. 55 and a quarter. I've got an 8-tick stop loss. A lot of guys ask about the risk reward on my systems, and it's not that good. 8 ticks for 4 or 5 ticks. Seldom do I lose 8 ticks on the normal system entry unless it really spikes up. I won't lose 8 ticks. I'll either reverse around 4 or 5 ticks, or if I hit 4 ticks, my stop loss will get moved to entry. Now watch, I'm getting stopped for 8 ticks. Of course, that is plausible. We do take 8-tick stop losses from time to time, but. And if this trade does move against me, I will reverse. If I get stopped out first, I'll enter a long trade based on my system rules. Hopefully this trade will move in our direction and we'll take a nice profit, move on with the day. Okay, heading against us here. Looks like we might get hit. Okay, we're out for full 8 ticks. We're going to re-enter here when we get the signal. There's our signal. Let's put our entry in and see if we can get filled. Actually, 57 and a quarter is the proper entry price. Let me center up. All right, we're in. Let me take my profit objective up higher here. My goal now is to recover, right? I want to recover what I lost. I lost 8 ticks. That's a maximum stop loss I lose on an NSE. Doesn't happen very, very frequently, but it did indeed just happen there. So we'll have to recover for it. So what I'll do is I've already got the Ninja Dome set up. Once I have 4 ticks of profit, move my stop loss to entry price for protection if it moves back down against me. That could be a double-edged sword, right? It can move up 4 ticks, stop you out, take off, and could be a winner. That sometimes happens, but I would much rather have the protection and move my stop loss off. We may get a double hit here. It's going back down against us again. Let's just watch this trade here, see what it does. But I will not reverse a second time. If this trade goes against us, we'll flatten out and move to a different strategy, wait for something to move before we take anything. That's one of our rules that we have. One, not to take NSEs. So right now we're looking to make a full recovery, and hopefully we'll do it on this video. But at some point we'll have to stop and turn the recorder back on. We're only allowed 7 or 8, 9 minutes on these videos. So, and again, as per your all request, to do it live money. Yeah. We're doing it live money now. Everybody's asked for that. They say, well, trading on sim is not real, and it's true. Trading on sim isn't real. That's why it's called sim, but it's so much difficult to get filled on simulator than it is in real money. It's my opinion that if you can do it on sim, you can do it in real time even better, assuming your discipline is there, right? But we're going to do it just like we've been showing in these videos. Open up a small account, which a lot of my students do, trade one contract. Show you that we really are traders. We don't just make this stuff up. A lot of hype on the internet, so, and I certainly can understand, but we really do trade live. So here we go. Looks like it's going to move in our direction here. I'm going to automatically move my stop loss up. Again, I could take 4 ticks here. I'm going to be a little bit more aggressive. This looks like it's going to be a strong run up. If we were coming out of no NSE zone where there was some back coloring, I'd like this even more to go stronger, right? Right now it's not. It's just a normal oscillation off of an NSE. But I'm going to still give it a little bit of room here and see if I can make a little bit more off of it. So far we're down 8 ticks. We're on our second trade. Get plenty of opportunity to grab the 4 ticks, but I'm going to really hold out for a little more. If this thing breaks out, I want to make a full recovery. I want to see it break that 50 level up there. And heading back down. If it stops us out at entry, we'll just wrap the video up and move on to the next video. So we'll still be, okay, there we go. We're off. We're still down 8 ticks. Second trade. Let's go ahead and stop and record again.